Nice shot. What the hell is that? Good job, Byla. Keep your eye on him.
Keep the trash away. Keep the trash away.
Don't put any holes in any of his fancy new discs. And you gotta get in the truck with that thing.
Right?
Hey now, CarlTheMadman here with JimmyJam.
JimmyJam.
It's May 10th,
Dingling.
2026, and Dingling is here too, yeah.
Yeah.
Dingling's going to her first game of
Disc golf.
So, JimmyJam got like 18 brand new discs.
Only 4. Only 4. They cost
4.
about $100, but only 4.
My bad. And it's all good. Good, Byla.
Right?
Good. Great. Dun dun dun!
Surprise morning game.
Surprise morning game, yeah. This is your walk today too, Byla, just so you know.
Right? It doubles down. Perfect.
Double down. Wow, it's nice up here this morning.
Yeah. It's actually perfect weather.
I actually thought it was going to be a little cool too.
Yeah.
Although you wouldn't guess because I only wore my t-shirt.
T-shirt and shorts, but
All right.
back at the course.
This is our first morning game, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so. Usually it's afternoon.
The sun might be in our eyes.
Right? With the well, I mean, there's 8 trees on a couple holes.
That's true. Yeah.
Just 8 on a couple of the holes.
Is that hole 10? Hole 10, I think.
Yeah, hole 10. Yeah.
There's a big tournament coming up here. When is that again? The end of the month?
Yeah, the 30th and 31st.
Might come up and get some footage of that.
Absolutely.
I can't play that day, but
Yeah, I'll
might come check it out.
I'll definitely come check it out.
All right. Determining tee box order.
Okay.
I think my feather's still there.
Oh yeah. Oh no. Nope. That was a bad putt.
That might be good enough though.
Oh, you laid it right up.
Oh, maybe.
Oh, I mean, you
measuring?
got a couple feet. I definitely got a couple feet.
It's my tee box.
At least I made that putt.
It's my tee box.
It's his tee box.
It's my tee box.
Let's see. That's all right. So I'll be firing with new equipment today. I might go, but this one is such a heavy left cut that it's hard not to want to use my regular, but.
Oh, yeah. Here, you want to hold that?
Absolutely.
Take my shot. Take my shot. Mine, how come my brain's not working? Yeah, mine goes left, right?
Yeah.
On a normal throw? Okay.
On your backhand or whatever?
My normal, yeah.
Yeah.
No. Oh, you bugger. Frick, that might have been a good one. Mighta, coulda, woulda, shoulda. All right, new disc. What do you got?
How's it going, guys?
That's it.
Mako 3.
There it is.
Whoop, whoop. Oh, a new disc. Okay, good. All right.
Look at that. Hey, caramba. I quit.
It cut straight nicely, but I was sluggish on my throw.
All right. In the hole.
Right?
Oh,
Damn.
I thought it was going up a little farther.
Right?
Like that bounce is gonna work for you.
Yeah. So it'll actually get the the technique or lack thereof.
All right. You stay. Get through.
Not bad at all.
That'll work. Kind of wanted to go down the fairway, mind you, but
Right?
luckily I got through. Get through. That'll work.
That'll work. As long as I'm not picking backwards off trees, I'm okay today.
Oh look, there's Byla. Oh look, it's hole 4. Oh look, it's Tony Montana. Tony Montana. Tony Montana.
I think that's a different movie, Carl.
Tony Montana.
Yeah.
Oh dude.
Fuck. You might just fucking birdie
I
that.
have a birdie shot here, yeah. Well, I definitely have a birdie shot.
Yeah.
So.
No.
Damn you.
Okay. I do not.
Byla checkers. And
You're literally right
holy moly's. That's like a tap-in birdie dude.
there. Right?
Wow, I didn't think I was quite that close. I must have got a nice bounce. Tap-in birdie. I did it. Nice shot.
Oh, okay,
From way down there. I got that on video too.
I'll take the bogey.
Beauty. Okay, this is the goofy toss for me.
The swoopsville.
Byla, get up here.
Nice.
Oh, I see it. It's gonna work. I see it.
I see it. Oh, I think
Still me.
Still you. Carl still got the tee box. Hole 6.
Still me. Ooh.
Damn.
I got up there. I got up there.
Got right over it. That's better. At least I got some distance. God damn.
Yeah, and it bounced you out into the fairway.
Right? Hole 7. Madman's up. Oh, what a drill.
Kinda. No, I'm under the bridge.
Oh,
Under the bridge.
he trolled it. Okay, I should have said a fucking word. Yeah, I'm firing so far this way. No, it's gonna go right. Okay. It had a line. Right under the bridge, I think. It might have straightened out.
Okie Still down. Oh, dude.
Nice. Holy shit. That's damn near a birdie shot right there. That was beautiful.
Swooped right through.
Is that a backhand you used? Like a regular shot, or
No.
you went under? Oh, cut right, cut right. Oh well.
All right. That's coming
Hey.
back. Oh, look at that.
That roll might have actually helped me.
I think so. Nope. No. Damn hound.
Damn.
Look at that bounce back.
First par 4.
This is
Is this it?
it's number 9 of par 4. Oh, I think it is, isn't it?
Yeah, it's either 9 or 10.
Oh, maybe it is 10. Yeah, I think it is. No.
No, this one goes over that hill.
Yeah.
On the other. Yeah, I think 10's just a par 3 because he blew past that.
Yeah, yeah.
This is crossing the bridge. Or no, that's 10. 10's crossing the bridge. This one is just. Oh no, this is it.
No, yeah, we're crossing the bridge now. Yeah.
No, this is it. I mean, I love this hole.
Yeah. Love it.
I love full blazing.
Pilot's being fairly good. Only kind of a pain in the butt.
Only a wee bit.
Not chasing discs, which is the best part. Here, look, it's a perfect little rock.
Right? Oh, look. Oh, look, a strawberry.
Where? I want one.
Ready? Now, this should be good. But I want it to kind of go that way. But
Oh, you bugger. That was flying nice.
I'm gonna try my other one, my slight. No, I'm gonna go with the lighter one. I don't know why I want heavier. What's the weight on this guy? I know I'm gonna decide, and it's gonna be the wrong one. What's the weight? 168.
No, it's gonna be the right one.
Right?
It's gonna be your best toss ever. Fucking A. It's a great throw.
Okay, well that wasn't awful. That wasn't awful at all.
It's a great throw.
That was fucking straight.
It's a great throw. You get to go across the bridge.
I get to cross the bridge again. Who's the troll now, Carl?
I don't. Byla and I don't get to cross the bridge.
Right? She's like, oh, but it's not my fault.
All right, hole 10. I got a 3-stroke lead on JimmyJam. Halfway point. So I want to swoop right through that V. That's my target. My class that time. Through the V.
Holy shit.
Oh, that bounce worked. Oh.
It looked like it was going a lot closer. I thought it was heading like right in. I was about to get a little mad. Like, I'm never catching up on this fucking hole. I didn't want it to cut that. Oh, that'll save me a little bit. It was going to cut a lot further than I wanted it.
Somebody's closer.
Quite closer.
Oh, shit. Oh,
that's going to work. That's going to work.
Oh, maybe.
Oh,
Never been over.
right up. I was going to say, isn't that by your trees that you usually end up on this one?
Never been over there before.
Right.
Let's stop. Get through.
That's not bad. I'll take it.
Didn't kill the camera either.
No. At least it's kind of keeping me in line with it. Oh yeah, that's not a bad shot.
Hey, look, somebody's camera. Here, look, a strawberry. Oh, look, a strawberry. Okay, when you hear the loud cling and the camera falls over. Oh, not that one. Not that one, mind you. Stay. Okay, we're on the basket. Going for the long birdie putt. What the hell was that, Byla? Was it a sand strand?
think so.
Okay, birdie putt. Oh, I almost got the camera.
Right?
Go ahead. Oh, that was really close. Definitely not a gimme putt. Definitely not a gimme par. Byla. Woo!
Woo. Gained another stroke.
Woo!
Par bogey.
Par
That was good. That was a good putt.
Par bogey. Par 4. Kelly's Knoll. Is.
Right?
I'm all right up here. There we go. Now it'll stay. There we go. Crank you up a little bit. All right. Par 4. This is way the hell down there.
Yeah.
Almost want to use my,
Right?
but it's tight on this side though.
Yeah.
No, I'm going underhand. Going underhand. No.
That's for you. Well, it made it through that tree.
It did. You get pretty lucky sometimes.
Not me. I almost made that hole.
Wrong basket.
Right?
Off to hole 14. JimmyJam's got the tee box.
Hell yeah.
I got a 4-stroke lead, which, you know, ain't nothing in this game.
Well, you get stuck in some trees and that can, a 4 can turn into an 8. Real quick.
17 and 18 can change this hole,
Right?
especially 18.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I got the tee box.
You got the tee box.
You know what? I'm even going to do something risky and try a different new one. No.
That's gonna work out just fine.
Yeah, I'll take a straight shot.
Here, you want to take this?
Absolutely.
While I go.
Ape shit. Damn. And it cut through.
Big skip.
Big roll. I think it started rolling too.
Did it?
But
Oh, that was the hardest one I've thrown all day.
yeah,
On
felt
my,
that one.
On my arm, yeah. Watch out for beavers, Byla. We might be in a beaver hut. Birdie between the trees. It's a birdie between the trees. Nope. Sets me up for a par shot though. JimmyJam gets to keep the tee box. Oh, this is my favorite part. This is the rub the pole. Rub the lucky pole. You're so smooth. Rubbing the lucky pole. Oh,
It's a stripper's pole.
JimmyJam's coming to dance on the pole. Ew. Don't look, Byla. Don't look. Don't watch, Byla. Don't watch.
When this golf gets that ready.
Might bring up the ratings.
Right?
Anytime you're ready.
It's more reliable this way, I know it. Ah! Just wanted to cut through that bastard.
You see the basket?
Yeah, it's kind of like you can see it.
Oh yeah, there. Yeah.
So I'm in line with it.
I damn near stuck it in that same stump as last week.
Right?
Like I hit it.
I'm pretty sure you hit the same thing.
I did. I hit the same thing.
The mortal enemy.
The mortal enemy. Oh, there it is.
Pesky old bastard. It did go past a bit. Not quite, Jimmy.
There I am. That's where I was last time. Right there, stuck in the,
Hit the rock and it bounced off this time.
Par 3. Jimmy Jam still has the tee box. Where's the
whole holes.
Oh, there's the basket right there.
Yeah.
All right. Give her. Shoot when ready. Get through.
Well, could be worse. I thought it was cutting right past that tree though. But that was a straight shot.
Heads up. I haven't thrown yet. Heads up.
Right? I don't know why I started doing that. Holy fuck.
Hooray for me! Woo. That's gonna work. That's gonna work. That was a good drive.
Good drive.
Good drive.
I think that one matches my power. That's good. Damn.
We'll buy that. A little bit left. All right, hole 18. Final hole of the day. 4-stroke lead. I got the tee box back. Par 4. But anything can happen.
This is a tough one. Hey, somebody got their water bottle.
Holy schmoly.
A month later.
A month later, yeah.
Okay, you see it down through those, all the way down through those.
Way down there.
That'll do.
That'll do.
Oh fuck, those things kill. Those with no shorts, or no, with just shorts. Those fucking ropes, I've seen them just leave fucking burn. Not my intended spot.
You're under a log.
I am right under the log.
Right under the log. All right, game over.
Another good match.
Game over.
I still didn't quite break 70, but I'm going to do it tomorrow. I'm going to tomorrow.
Yeah, we're coming back tomorrow.
That was a good
Rain,
warm-up.
storms, whatever. No, maybe not. It's anything but a windstorm
Yeah, windstorm might screw up the game a bit.
or torrential
Right?
downpour.
Good day though. Huh. It's a nice course, but it's nice to be able to just blow through it in like in 2 hours roughly, you know?
Yeah, I think that was about a 2-hour game. We're a lot faster than we used to be.
Oh yeah. We're getting a lot further. Sometimes. Sometimes I'm playing from the fucking rough the whole time, but
Well, both of us are lots of them, more than not.
it's hard to, those fairways are hard to stay on. You know? Glad we haven't decided any like out of bounds or anything like that. Nope. Dear no.
I haven't seen any out of bounds markers
No.
on this course, other than maybe the private property ones. I guess
Yeah.
that would be out of bounds. Alrighty, Byla. You did a pretty good job out there today on the old disky golfy course. Quit licking me. Jeebers. There you go. Let's go.
Look at how sneaky he is. Look at how freaking sneaky he is in there. He's like a little dinosaur popping his head out of his egg. Haha, look at him. He was standing up and then I saw, oh, he's going down. Oh, is he hiding from his ops? Does he have opposition? That's so fun. I've never seen it do that before. It's so funny looking. Oh, I almost want to see him crawl out.
All right. It is officially my Friday, and I am officially going to do my Friday work shift. Happy Friday, me. Happy Friday, me.
Fourth floor.
Uh-oh. Where have all the chipmunks gone? I haven't seen one for eons. Not gonna see one when I'm singing, probably. Well, if you can call it singing. I used to see them in this area, you know, every once in a while. I have not seen a chipmunk this year. What's with all the chipmunk? Why are all the chipmunks missing? Have they been abducted? Where are you, chipmunks? Where are you, chipmunks? You over there? Nope. Are you over there? Nope. Down there? Nope. It's a chipmunk mystery. Have you seen any chipmunks lately? Let me know in the comments below. Are they gone? Have they gone extinct? What the hell? All right, heading back down now, and let's see what's going on. Today's my Friday, as I was so excitedly celebrating earlier. Tomorrow, JimmyJam and I are going to play disc golf again in the morning. But I think as far as vlog goes, you know, it'll just be a couple of clips like normal, not like today's, where every tee box was. I filmed every tee box today and a couple other ones. Anyways, you already saw that, so I don't need to tell you that. tomorrow will just be some clips. Byla and I will probably go for a normal walk. And the next day, I'm told the next day that my beautiful wife and I are going on another couples adventure. Woohoo! Woohoo! I love it. I love it. I could get used to that. I really could. Yeah, anyways, I think I'm gonna shut down today's vlog. Thanks for coming along. Thanks for joining me. If you enjoyed today's vlog, you know, please hit that thumbs up, drop a comment, and if you're new here, you know, subscriptions are free. You can subscribe for free. It's free to subscribe. Did I mention? You can subscribe for free. Hit that little bell button too. Then you get notified every time I upload a video, which is every day at 3:11 a.m. PT. We recently changed our time zone here to PT, meaning we don't change our clocks now anymore, ever, for any of this spring forward, fall back time, whatever the hell it was called again. I forgot now. On purpose, I've forgotten all about it because I disliked it so much. Anyway, have a great day. Hey.